Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can update WooCommerce order status in Airtable automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. WooCommerce is an e-commerce platform where we can sell our products digitally, and Airtable is a spreadsheet program. So the idea here is that you have received various orders in your WooCommerce account and you have the same data of the orders in your spreadsheet program. Now you want that whenever any of the status of the order gets changed, it means if the order is on hold and it gets processing, or if the order is on processing and it gets completed, or if the order is completed and it gets rejected or just returned the product, then the same status should get updated in your spreadsheet program also. Okay, it means a cancel order, if it is changed to refunded, then the same order should get updated in your spreadsheet program also. For this, we need to create a connection between WooCommerce and Airtable. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type pabbly pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as update WooCommerce order status in Airtable. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever an order gets updated in your WooCommerce account, automatically the order should get updated in your Airtable account also. For that, open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find WooCommerce. In the trigger event, we have to select order updated. Okay, let us find order updated over here. Yes. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your WooCommerce account. So let us read the instructions. Navigate to the left sidebar WooCommerce, move to settings, go to the advanced tab webhooks and click on add webhook button. So we are just going to copy this webhook URL from here and I'll just take you to my WooCommerce account, that is the WordPress dashboard. Here in the left side we can find the WooCommerce. Here you have to click on the settings option. Click on settings. Now here we can find the advanced tab. Click on advanced. And here we can see webhooks option. So simply click on webhooks. Now here we have to create a new webhook. For that, click on this add webhook option. Now here it is asking to give a name to the webhook. So let us give the name as update Airtable records. I'm just adding a random name to the webhook. You can give the name as per your requirement. Okay. Here we have to select the status as active. Here we have to select the topic as order updated. Here you have to give the delivery URL. So this will be the webhook URL which we have already copied from Pabbly Connect. So we'll be pasting the same over here and simply click on save webhook. Okay, and here we can see that the webhook has been saved. Okay, so I'll just go back to the webhooks option And here we can see that a new webhook has been saved. Update Airtable records. Okay. Let's move back to Public Connect. And here when we scroll down, we can find the webhook ID and the value is this. It means the webhook is set. Now we have to click on Recapture Webhook Response and simply click on Yes. Now it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to just update any of the order. For that, let's move to the WooCommerce account once again. Move to the orders section. And here we can see that we have several orders over here. So we have these records in my Airtable also. Okay. So now I want that this particular order, that is 55107. Okay, 55107. Its status is processing. I'm just going to change this particular status from processing. Let us give it as completed order. Okay. So let's just change the status from processing to completed. Okay, and let's click on update. So the order has been updated. Let's move back to Public Connect. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the order are captured over here. Now we can find the status as completed over here. And when we scroll down, we can find the details of the customer. His first name as Mansukh, last name as Sharma. Here we can find the address details, his email ID along with the phone number. So we already have all these details over here in our Airtable records. So we want just this order status to get updated. Okay. The first name is Mansukh, last name is Sharma, mobile number, email address, all the records is there over here. But only the order status needs to get changed. For that, come to Public Connect and here come to the action step. And here in the choose application, let us find Airtable. In the action event, we have to select search record. So in order to update the status of this particular order, we need to just search this order among all these orders. So we are just going to search it over here. Let's click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. Log into your Airtable to get the API key from the account section. Okay, so I'll just take you to my Airtable. Here we will be moving to the account section and click on account. Okay, and when we scroll down here, we can find the key. So we have to simply copy this key from here and we have to paste the same over here as a token. And let's click on save. And now the Airtable account is connected to Public Connect just because I was already logged into my Airtable account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Airtable account. Now here we have to select the base name. So the base name is WooCommerce order status. So we have to select the same over here. That is WooCommerce orders status. Now here we have to select the table name. So the table name is orders. So the table name is automatically captured just because I have created a single table in this particular base, that is orders. If you have multiple tables, from the drop down you can select your table name. Now here we have to give the field name. So the field name, in which field we want to search the data. Okay. So the field name will be order ID. We want the order ID to get searched. So we have selected the field name as order ID. Now here we have to give the value, what needs to be searched. So we want this particular order ID to get searched. We have already got the order ID over here, that is 55107. Okay. So let us map the order ID over here from WooCommerce and this is the order ID. And let's click on save and send test request. So this particular order ID will be searched among all the records. Okay. And here we can find that all the details of this particular order are captured. Okay. Name, email address and other details of the customer. Now we want to update this particular order. From here we can see the order status as processing. Okay. And here in the Airtable also we can find it as processing. Now we have to update it. For that, come to this plus sign and click on add action step. Here in the choose application, let us find Airtable once again. In the action event, we have to select update record. Click on connect. Now here we will be selecting the existing connection just because we have recently created a connection. Simply click on save. Now the Airtable account is connected. Now again we have to select the base name. So the base name was WooCommerce order status.
So the table name is automatically captured as orders. Now here we have to give the record ID. For that we have to just enable this mapping button, remove this ID, and we have to map the record ID which we have got from Airtable. This is the record ID. Okay. So now what we want to update? We just want to update this particular field, that is order status, from processing to completed. So let us just update this particular field only. Okay, order status. So the status will be completed this time. So let us map completed status and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means that particular field is updated. Let us check it. And here we can find the order status as completed this time. It means our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just update any of the other order. For that, I'll just move to the orders once again. Okay, and I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the order as Ramesh Sharma 55076, and here we can find the status as processing. Let us check this order status over here. Ramesh Sharma 55076, and here we can find the status as processing. Now I'm just going to change this particular status from processing. Okay, and let us just make it as completed. And let's click on update. Okay, and here we can see that the status is completed. So the order has been updated. Now let us check our Airtable records. And here we can find this particular order status as completed. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. And whenever the order is getting updated into your WooCommerce account, automatically the same order is getting updated over here in your Airtable records also. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize this action window as well as the trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the orders. Then we have just applied the action step of Airtable to search that particular record in all the records. And then when we have searched all the details of that particular record, the record was updated. And in this way we have created a successful integration between WooCommerce and Airtable using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.